Let's check back in with meteorologist Robert Suhr. It was a very warm day compared to a week ago. So, Robert, any chance of things cooling off tonight?
No, unfortunately. It's going to be a hot and humid night. Not even close to being comfortable, unfortunately. And we're going to stay in this pattern that we're in for quite some time, folks. It is going to be hot and humid as that heat continues to build in across the plains. And a large part of the country is going to be impacted by this heat dome. So it's not just localized toward our area. It's going to have far-reaching impacts all the way to the Atlantic seaboard and up into the Great Lakes states as well. This heat will continue to infiltrate our area, the worst of it throughout the day tomorrow. Most of us should get at or above 100 degrees for our Sunday. We're quiet and low right now. Looks can be deceiving. It looks amazing outside, but it is crazy hot in Lowell, where we're in the upper 90s across northwest Arkansas, as well as some lower 100s as well, depending on your exact location. River Valley also sunny and quiet today, but it's also blisteringly hot. We're up to 102 now in Boonville and Fort Smith, 103 in LaFleur, upper 90s for everybody else. And remember, those pavement temperatures also matter as well, because if it's too hot to set your hand on, your bare hand for a few seconds, it's too hot for your pet's paw pads as well. They can get burned as well. So maybe wait till the sun starts to set and those roads start to lose some of that heat for you to take your furry friend out for a walk. Very humid conditions as well, thanks to these dew points that are stuck in the lower to mid 70s across the area. Will be nice and quiet tonight. Really nothing to worry about other than the hot and muggy conditions. By tomorrow morning, only into the lower 80s for the most part. And then we quickly shoot right back up by tomorrow evening. Very hot if you're firing up the grill, throwing some corner steaks on there with temperatures into the triple digits. And we really don't cool down very much as we get toward Monday morning, and Monday itself looks like another very, very hot day. Here's the latest on Hurricane Hilary, still a Category 2 storm, weakening as expected, winds of 110 miles an hour as it continues to pinwheel its way off the Baja California coast here, as you see there, and that's where it's expected to continue. That northwesterly track kind of paralleling the coast over the next day or the next 12 to 15 hours, maybe scraping the coast at times, and then eventually making landfall here somewhere near Southern California. But regardless, it's going to drop copious amounts of rainfall here, according to the Weather Prediction Center. Inches of rain. A lot of these areas, these desert areas across western California and into southwest Nevada, for the year they may see 2, 3, 4 inches. And they're looking at a year's amount of rainfall in a 24-hour period. So catastrophic flooding is likely in these areas that the soils just can't handle that type of rainfall in that short amount of time. 70s tonight, and then back up into the triple digits for just about everybody. My goodness gracious, look at that, 105 possible for Fort Smith. And you can see on average in northwest Arkansas, triple digit heat the next 3 days. Then we may briefly cool off. The real cooler weather probably won't get here until next weekend, where that heat dome may get far enough to the east where it allow a cold front to sneak in. A lot of severe days, Allison, for the River Valley over the next 7 days. Just make sure you are safe if you have to be outside.